Hey you guys, it's Molly. I'm going to be doing a traveling kiss pour, which is Smart Art Materials SAMJULY challenge. So I have 2 cups. I thought I would do light blues and dark blues, and this one has a little bit of purple, but the kiss pour is where you touch the paints together, and the traveling part is where you move them. So I thought I would try to do it in a ring to make a ring pour. So a traveling kiss ring pour. Anywho, all right, so I'm gonna get you down on the canvas and I'll go ahead and get started. Okay, there we go. All right, so this one is a little bit more difficult to me. I don't know why, but it is. So, ooh, I had a hair in one of my, these are just leftover paint, so I don't even really know the colors that well, but we'll see what happens. So I'm just gonna start here and kiss them together, and then as I move around, this is definitely much harder than it seems. So here comes my whites. I'm trying to keep them kissing. I have like a double cup of circles here. Oh, had one little drop out there. Okay, so I'm gonna spread this around and see what actually happens. I don't know, I think a couple of my paints are a little bit thicker than the others, so they may not run exactly the same, and that's something that really, it needs to be the same consistency in a ring pour especially. And I hope I have enough paint to cover this canvas. I know you guys may not be able to see the whole thing for now, but bringing it on back. Here, I'll turn it so you guys can still see what's going on. Moving it on along down that way. Okay, whoop, gotta get that side. Gotta get over the side. You guys will be yelling at me. Yeah, my paints were definitely thicker. So I'm not really seeing too much of a difference from doing a regular ring pour to doing this type of pour, but, and I don't think I had enough paint on my canvas because it has already stopped moving. So I think what I might do, since I've got a lot of negative blue space over here, is do the rest of this Payne's gray over here. See what happens. I have a little bit of my dioxazine purple as well. So we'll see how that turns out. Okay. So I'm going to keep on moving it that way. Get down here on the side. So see, putting that little extra bit of whoops, paint on. You guys, look at my arm. So putting that extra little bit of paint on there just helps everything kind of move a little bit. So I'm gonna push that on down that way. Okay, I'm not hating this right now. Hope you guys can still see at least part of it in there. This paint down here is not really running that well, but so I like what happened here. Let me fix this. Fix these edges over here. Yeah, see, this paint did not run that well on this side. So I'm gonna tilt this just a little bit more. You guys bear with me. I can see the whole thing sliding down, but what you have to realize is you have to let the weight of the paint get to here in order for it to start pushing this paint over the edge. I actually really like this dark purple negative space that's there. I'm gonna tilt this a lot. Hope you guys can still see it in camera. Okay, I finally see it. Can you guys see it starting to come off the edge right there? There we go. There we go. Now it's going off the edge. It just took a while because my paint was a lot thicker and I had basically the exact amount to go on the canvas for it to get down there. So I actually really, really like how this turned out. I was not expecting this. Yeah, let me take you down. Let me wipe my hands and then I'll take you down and I'll show you. Oh, I just got a big blob of paint on my camera. Hold on. I swear it's not a day unless I, you know, lose something, drop something, kick some paint over. All right, so I'm gonna take you in on this side so that my light doesn't get you. But so there's the overall, and I like how there's just, because of the kiss pour, there's just a couple dark rings on this side and a couple of light rings on that side. My middle, I could have taken more time on, but it still has that kind of 3D effect that I'm used to getting on my ring pours, but just with the different variations in color. So I actually really like this. I'll take you around so you can see it from the other side. So you guys let me know what you think. Let me know if you've tried the kiss pour as well, because it's definitely not as easy as it seems. But I definitely like all those little lines that I got in there. Well, it looks really 3D. So there is my Sam July challenge, a traveling kiss pour. Traveling kiss pour ring pour for me. All right, you guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you next time. Happy painting.